Hello, parents and guardians. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into healthy meals for kids, quick and easy recipes. If you're looking for ways to keep your kids happy and healthy without spending hours in the kitchen, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more family-friendly meal ideas. Eating healthy is crucial for your child's growth and development. We'll discuss the benefits of nutritious meals and the key nutrients that every child needs in their daily diet. Having the right tools can make cooking much easier. I'll show you some essential kitchen tools and tips to streamline your cooking process, making it quicker and more enjoyable. Let's start the day strong with some quick and nutritious breakfasts that your kids will love. First, we'll make a smoothie bowl packed with fruits and seeds, followed by easy, make-ahead oatmeal cups that are perfect for busy mornings. Healthy snacks are important to keep those little tummies full until dinner. Let's whip up some veggie dips and fruit kebabs. For lunch, I'll show you how to put together fun and balanced lunchboxes featuring mini whole wheat pita pizzas and turkey and cheese roll-ups. Dinner can be a challenge, but these recipes are both kid-approved and simple to make. We'll prepare a one-pan chicken and vegetables dish and a quick and hearty vegetable soup that cooks in just 20 minutes. Cooking with your kids can help them learn valuable skills and encourage them to try new foods. Let's make a build-your-own taco bar. I'll demonstrate how you can set this up to let your kids enjoy making their own dinner. I'll share some nutrition tips to keep in mind when planning your meals and how to ensure your kids are getting all the nutrients they need. We'll talk about planning your weekly meals to save time and reduce stress. I'll also provide a downloadable meal planner in the description below. Now, let's open up the floor for questions. Please share your thoughts, your own tips, or ask about anything we covered today. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, creating healthy meals for your kids doesn't have to be complicated. With these recipes and tips, you're well on your way to nourishing your family with less stress and more fun. If you enjoyed this session, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Check out our other content for more great meal ideas and parenting tips. Stay healthy and happy cooking.